In this video we are visiting the Parkes Observatory, or often called the DISH. It's a radio astronomy telescope used to study the universe and operated by CSIRO. You can see in video 845 when we arrive at the visitor car park. I of course wanted to put off the drone, but there are signs all over the place banning drones. So instead I put off the drone at the photo stop on the way to the observatory. It shows you that the telescope is surrounded by farms on all sides and the land is pretty flat. Now I also put a handheld video of the visitor center and the dish, plus we also experimented and tried the parabolic reflectors to be able to talk clearly across a great distance. You can see how that came out towards the end. I've also included a few photos from the inside of the visitor center and some of the equipment on display. My wife is on the other dish, and I'm going to see if I can hear what she says. So I'll turn around and talk into this dish. So can you hear me?
I can hear you loud and clearly.
See, that's magic, isn't it?
Yes. And you can hear me? I got that?
Yes, I can hear you. That's fine.
Okay.
Distant communication in
I
reality.
have nothing deep and meaningful to say.
No.